Hey, TriMech customers, we're here at SOLIDWORKS World 2019. We're at the Protolabs booth, and I'm talking to Josh. So, Josh, tell us about Protolabs, what you guys do, what you bring for your customers.
Sure, Todd, thanks. Protolabs, we're a rapid digital manufacturer of custom parts. We do prototypes and production. We work in 3D printing, CNC machining, milling and turning, sheet metal fabrication, and injection molding.
Oh, cool.
And the huge part of our value proposition is speed.
Yeah.
So a traditional injection molder might take 4 to 6 months
Absolutely.
to get you parts. We're going to do that in 15 business days or less. So 15 business days is the slowest that we would get you parts.
And you're talking fully injection molded parts?
Yes.
Not, okay, awesome.
So from the minute you hit order, 15 business days, we're going to ship them.
Cool. So what kind of, there's a lot of stuff on the table here. What kind of materials do you have available, or what do you deal in?
It's a wide array of materials depending on what service that we're working in. A long list of different plastic resins in the injection molding. We work in stainless steel and aluminum, among many other parts like brass and whatnot with our CNC. And then 3D materials, again, it's kind of a really long list, but anything that's kind of like the softer durometer, we work with our PolyJet technology.
Oh, cool.
All the way to parts that mimic ABS. So. And then a lot of nylon materials and things like that too for extra strength, even like glass filled. So.
Cool. So if you need prototypes, you need them fast, then call you guys.
Come to us.
All right.
All right.
Thanks, man.
Thanks, Todd.
Have a good show.
You too.